Alden, it's your update. Yung post ni Alden sa social media account for McDonald's. And golden chicken curry fillet. And nag-drive-thru pa nga si Alden. And nag-drive-thru. McDo.
Welcome to McDonald's drive-thru. Good afternoon.
At ating isa pong golden chicken curry.
One solid busog meal golden chicken curry.
Masaya mga po. Ito si Alden.
Ciao.
Si McDo.
Wow guys.
Sarap yan.
Grabe. Hindi pa lang. Alam mo nang masarap.
Yummy. Golden chicken
Alam niyo,
curry
guys,
fillet.
That's what I appreciate about McDonald's when they come out with new meals to offer to the Filipino consumers. Kasi sobrang huling-huli yung lasang Pinoy. Because ako personally, mahilig talaga ako sa sa mga matatamis na ulam. So with this, halo-halo siya, and I also like spicy. So ramdam na ramdam yung sipa ng spice, pero yung dulo niya, may tamis pa rin. At
dahil
sulit busog meal to. Extra rice.
Meron kang extra rice.
Kaya guys, kung gusto niyo ng masarap at nakakabusog na meal, try niyo na tong bagong Golden Crispy Chicken Curry Fillet sulit busog meal ng McDonald's for only 99 pesos. Aba, may extra rice ka ba?
Yun hindi ka mabibitin.
Cheers!
Yung gaya ni Alden. Don't forget to subscribe, click the notification bell for more update. This is Victor Reaction Vlog. Stay tuned for more videos. See ya.